Welcome to GraphX Academy, the place where creatives come to master the Adobe Suite and more. If you've ever wanted to edit like a pro in Premiere, design in Illustrator, or build a real creative skill set, you're in the right place. Every week, we drop tutorials, tips, and shorts to help you level up, completely free. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, there's something here for every level. This is your creative school, and we're not holding back. And if you're ready to go deeper, our full self-paced courses at graphxacademy.com will take you from zero to an Adobe Certified Professional. No schedules, no pressure. Just you, the tools, and a certification that opens real doors. Hit subscribe so you don't miss a single tutorial, and drop a comment below telling us, what do you want to learn first? We read every one. See you in the next video.